Hi friends, today we're going to see 11th sum in exercise 9.1. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. See here, let CB be the banks of the canal. In one bank, there is a TV tower. Okay, and from the other bank, okay, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point, 20 meter away from this point, on the line joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. See here, from another point, it is given 20 meter away from this point. See, let the point be D and the distance between these two points is given as 20 meter. Okay, this point lies in straight line along the foot of the tower. The points are in straight line. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. From this point, okay, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. We have to find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. See, let W be the width of the canal. We have to find the height and also the width of the canal. Now, let's write the details. See here, AB is equal to H meter, be the height of the tower. And see here, CB be the width of the canal. CB is equal to W meters, be the width of the canal. And it is given CD is equal to 20 meter. It is the distance between the point of observation of the tower. Okay. So here first I am going to consider this right triangle, that is ABC. In right triangle ABC, here you see the angle is angle ACB is equal to 60 degree. Here the side opposite the theta is the opposite and the side which is along the angle is the adjacent side. The values what we have to find is in the opposite and the adjacent, isn't it? We have to find the value of H and also the value for W. So we know it is tan theta, isn't it? So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. I am going to consider here, see here, tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. Here it is tan 60. So tan 60 degree is equal to opposite is AB, that is AB by and adjacent is BC. So tan 60 value is root 3, which is equal to AB is H and BC is W. So I can write this as H is equal to W root 3. I am just naming this as 1. Okay, see here in right triangle, I am going to consider the right triangle ABD. Sorry, ABD. This is right triangle. Angle ADB is equal to, see here, angle ADB is equal to 30 degree. Angle ADB is equal to 30 degree. As I said, the values what we have to find is in the opposite and in the adjacent. I am going to consider here also tan ratio. Here it is tan 30, isn't it? So tan 30 is equal to AB by BD. Okay, which is equal to, see here, AB by BD. I can write this as DC plus CB. It is DC plus CB. Okay, the value for tan 30 is 1 by root 3, which is equal to, in our figure, from the figure we know AB is h and DC is 20. It is 20 plus W. So by rearranging the terms, I get 20 plus W is equal to h root 3. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to substitute the value for h from 1. We know the value for h is W root 3. So I'm going to substitute the value for h from 1. We can write this as 20 plus W is equal to, instead of h, I'm going to write this as W root 3 into root 3. So I get 20 plus W is equal to, root 3 into root 3 is 3, isn't it? So it is 3W. That is, see here, 3W is equal to 20 plus W. I'm going to take the value to the other side, which is 3W minus W is equal to 20. That is, 2W is equal to 20. Therefore, W is equal to 20 by 2. W is equal to 10 meters. Therefore, I have, see here, we have considered W as the width of the canal, isn't it? See in the figure, see CB. The distance between CB I have considered as W, that is the width of the canal. Now we have obtained the width, we have to find even the height. What I am going to do is, I am going to substitute the value. See here, I am going to substitute the value of W in equation 1. So, I will be getting the h, isn't it? See, substituting W is equal to 10 in equation 1. Therefore, I get h is equal to 10 root 3 meters. So, I am going to conclude this as, therefore, the height of the tower is equal to 10 root 3 meters and the width of the canal is equal to 10 meters. Thanks for watching.